supportive background, and she carries it with pride and elegance. Ladies and gentlemen, Pak Langi-Langi Chen for Lau Tusalinga.
Ladies and gentlemen, for contestants 1 and 2, next is the Ansela Sayuri Salvatoma and Langi-Langi Chen for Lau.